Meaning of hypochondriac.
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 Hypochondriac. Hypochondriac refers to a person who frequently worries about having serious illnesses despite having no or very mild symptoms. It is a psychological condition characterized by excessive health anxiety and preoccupation with the body. Hypochondriacs may obsessively research medical conditions and consult doctors excessively, causing significant distress and disruption in their daily lives. This condition can be very debilitating and may require psychological intervention. It is important for hypochondriacs to seek help in managing their anxiety in order to improve their quality of life.